Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2022 BOXYCHARM Base Box unboxing. First of all, I have to say happy Valentine's Day. I got two Valentine's Day deliveries. First, if you can see, let's see if I can show you a full view because these are huge. Those roses behind me, incredible. That was a Valentine's Day delivery from my boyfriend. Today is our 6-year anniversary. Yes, our anniversary is on Valentine's Day, which is just so me. And then the other Valentine's Day delivery was from myself. I love the coincidence that this was delivered on Valentine's Day. So the BOXYCHARM Base Box is $27.99 a month, and it's a beauty subscription box that you get to choose a few of your products, but then the rest of the products that come in it are supposed to be customized to your preferences. And I already got my BOXYCHARM Premium Box, which I have unboxed. It is up here on my YouTube channel. I also already got both of my Ipsy Glam bags, the Glam Bag X for the quarter, which is exciting to get, although honestly, not my favorite Glam Bag X ever, and then my regular Glam bag. So all of those unbaggings, unboxings are up on YouTube now. And by the way, I also have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on the makeup products that I get in this box and all of those subscriptions. And that's why I'm not swatching them and testing them out right now, because there's going to be dedicated videos for that. So if you like beauty subscription unboxings, even unboxings on other subscription boxes that are not beauty, but also makeup reviews, if that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe to my channel. But okay, I know that we want to get into this box and see what's in here. Okay, it really does seem like a perfect Valentine's Day themed gift. The theme is Be My Glamantine. Glamantine. Sounds like Clementine. Glamantine. But I've got product information here. I just really love that BOXYCHARM is always going to send full-size products, so I really can know my retail value. Oh my gosh. And right on top, I'm excited about this. This is from the brand Lava Los Angeles, which I am not familiar with this brand, but I am excited to see some lashes. I will say these lashes don't look like my personal preference of lashes because these have a thick black band. I tend to prefer the invisible band. These are also long lashes, an even length, but I kind of like the cat eye, which is only longer on the outer section of the eye. But I love that it comes with an applicator, which I'm very bad with the applicators, but maybe this will be a good one, and some eyelash adhesive, because maybe this is someone's first eyelashes that they're getting in BOXYCHARM, and now at least they have the applicator and the lash adhesive. It kind of looks like there's something else in there too. But yay, it is so fun, in my opinion, to try out lashes. Let's see, the retail value, oh my gosh, on the Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set is $54. I am kind of mind blown at that extremely expensive price point. Well, good thing I got it in this BOXYCHARM box for such a great deal. Next up, okay, this is from the brand Teamy, which I am familiar with this brand only because, like, not to drag this brand, but they have reached out multiple times to do those like influencer partnerships on their tea, and I just feel like those types of brands get such a bad rap because of the influencers that like push their skinny tea or whatever it is. But so this here is a detox mask, green tea blend, matcha, lemongrass, and clay. Okay, so I'm not a huge fan of getting skincare in my beauty subscription boxes. I totally prefer to get makeup. If I am going to get skincare, a mask, especially a clay mask, is very low on the list of products that I would be happy to see. So I'm kind of disappointed to get this. This is not the type of product that suits my preferences on my quiz and all of that. So this is probably, I should test it out, see if I like it, but it's just a product that will get lost in my collection and I may just be better off gifting it to someone else. But so the Teamy Blends Green Tea Detox Mask retails for $29.99. Okay, next up, we've got a product here from Illamasqua. And this is a brand that pops up a lot in both Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. Ooh, and this is the Hydra Setting Spray. Okay, hydrating setting spray is seriously what my skin is needing. And I like this brand, so I'm excited to put this to the test. Now, this is an expensive brand. I bet this has a high retail value. Kind of. The Illamasqua Hydra Setting Spray retails for $26. Oh, another brand that I really like. This is from Estate, and this is the Precision Liquid Liner. Oh gosh, did I get this in black? I like this brand, but I do not like getting black eyeliners in Ipsy or BOXYCHARM, and yeah, I think this is black. So, like I was saying, I don't love to get black eyeliners in Ipsy or BOXYCHARM. But what I don't like even more is to get a repeat product that I already got in Ipsy. I know Ipsy and BOXYCHARM are separate, but they're kind of not separate since they're owned by the same company. So I'm starting to get annoyed that I'm seeing repeated products between the two. So I do already have a dedicated review video on this eyeliner that I will have linked in the description down below so that you can check that out. My final product in the box. Oh, this is from the brand Ace Beauté, and it's the Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. I am excited to see another Ace Beauté product and a highlighter palette. I love to get a palette and I love to get a highlighter. So this seems promising. A great product to end on. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, very nice. 3 huge pans, great shades. I like to use highlighter palettes like this for my eyes as well, so I'm thinking there could be a lot of use in this palette, and I'm very excited about it. I forgot to tell you the retail value of the Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner is $12, and the Ace Beauté Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette retails for $40. Oof, that is an expensive price point for this palette here. But okay, now the products in front of me. It's kind of like a half and half of what I'm happy with, what I'm not happy with. I'm very happy with my Illamasqua Hydra Setting Spray, my Ace Beauté Glow Highlighter Palette, and my Lava Lashes set. These other two, the Teamy Detox Mask and the Estate Liquid Eyeliner, are 2 products that will probably be passed along to someone that's going to get more use out of them than I will. So as far as BOXYCHARM boxes go, I'm a little disappointed and let down because typically I like my BOXYCHARM boxes a little more. This is also a relatively low retail value compared to what I'm used to getting in BOXYCHARM. This comes out to $161.99, which of course is incredible value compared to $27.99 that I pay to get this box. But if you've tried any of these products before, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on them. And I would love to hear what you got in your February 2022 BOXYCHARM base box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.